Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Espeon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves out and up, leaving a gap in the center. And then curve it back down to close off each of the eyes. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw an angled oval near the top here. And then a curve on the bottom. And then lastly, let's draw one more curve outside in the center here. Now let's move in between the eyes and let's draw a circle. And then let's add another circle inside on the top right. And a curve on the bottom left. Now top underneath and let's draw a small black triangle for the nose. And that's it for the face. Now we can start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and then angle it towards the center for the chin. Now on top, let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then a curve across on top in the center here. Next, let's move to the sides of the head and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. And then let's curve it up and in. Angle it down underneath. And curve it back up towards the head. Next, we're going to hop on top and let's draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and out. And the same on the right side. Now from the ends, let's curve it up slightly. And then bring it back down. Now top inside the ears and let's draw a curve up. And then curve it back down underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two curves down for the neck. And then let's curve it out like this on both sides. Now top to the center and we're going to draw two angled lines down, meeting at the bottom. And then angle it in from the sides as well. And then a curve to close off each of the feet. Now for the back legs, let's start on the sides and let's draw a wavy curve down like this. And then curve it back in underneath. Next, underneath for the feet, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And add two curves up from the bottom for the toes. Lastly, for the body, we're going to draw the tail on the left side. We'll start with the wavy line out and up. Then for the end, let's curve it back in, stopping here. Now for the next part of the tail, we're going to draw a curve out, bringing it downwards. And then let's bring it back in. And then follow that same wavy line all the way back in. And that's it for Espeon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!